Welcome back, guys. So here's the scenario. Um, got a loan, maybe a mortgage, a while back, and the unfortunate happened. Lost a job. Someone who maybe have been on the loan with me has not been faithful. Maybe been incarcerated, just got out. But my record, my credit is bad, my record has been tarnished. Is there a way for me to restore it? If that is you, well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna give you tips on how to restore your credit. That's right. If you have bad credit, you can restore it, you can rebuild it. Starting over is not easy, but it is possible, and we have thousands of people who do it on a yearly basis. We all understand that there was a crisis worldwide financially, and that many persons lost jobs, many persons lost homes, and very valuable things to them. And with that happening, a lot of persons fell behind on their loans, and as things are picking up, many persons are asking questions, well, what can I do to rebuild my credit or to restore it back to what it used to be, and how do I get back on track and have a good face again with the banks? Well, it's very simple, guys. If you have a delinquent loan out there, the best thing to do is go to the bank and discuss your options. Do not allow it to go on, or do not pretend to forget that it's out there, because it will affect you going forward, and it will cause you not to be able to qualify for anything else in the future. So go to the bank, discuss your options with them. Each bank has something different to offer, but also if you want to rebuild the credit, let them know that you are in a position now to begin paying on that delinquent facility. You want to have it restructured so that you can get your credit back to the way it used to be. So you go to the bank, you call, you phone in your officer, whoever it may be, and you let them know that you are ready now to get back on track financially. And I'm telling you, they're going to be ready and willing to assist you. Now, in doing this, guys, you're going to have to do a few things. First of all, ensure that you work out the best payment that you can, and get used to making payments again. Do not skip. Do not go for just the smallest amount, because the smaller amount that you pay, the longer it's going to take to pay off the loan. So you want to get rid of it as quickly but also as painlessly as possible. So look for the best balance that will work out with whatever budget it is that you have. Secondly, guys, if you have a loan that may have been paid off, but you ended with a very poor record, within the last few years or so of paying it off, then yes, it's still possible for you to rebuild that as well. The bank would consider financing something for you, but you would have to be the one, you'd have to be the bigger person in this, and you would have to go for, like we discussed before, a cash secured loan. Now, there may not be any particular reason for you to get the loan, but simply you want to make sure that your credit is intact. So if you have $1,200, $1,300, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever the amount is, find out what amount the bank would accept from you, and make sure that you would put that amount that you would have in savings on a fixed deposit, and that you would borrow against it, simply for the simple fact that you're looking to rebuild your credit. So if you have something to do, that's the very best way of doing it. So guys, if you're looking to get back on track with your credit, it's possible. It's not the end of the world. You don't have to pretend that it's not out there, and the banks are ready and willing to work with you. So look at offering something, because no one takes anyone seriously who's not willing to offer something that's valuable to them. So if you have monies in a savings somewhere, put it on a fixed deposit, borrow against it, and start rebuilding your credit, so that if you have any plans, any future goals, and you may need the bank's assistance, you will be well on your way to clearing up and cleaning up your record. So guys, if you have any questions about this or any other video, you can comment below the video. You can like the page, you can subscribe, also share this video, because there are many persons who believe that they aren't able to rebuild their credit and they don't know the best way of going about doing it, and we want to be able to help as many people as we can. So go ahead and write, subscribe to the page, share, comment, and you can also email me at michaud.abraham@gmail.com if you have any bank related questions, and I'll try my best to answer them for you. So until next time guys, thanks for watching.